We have completely overhauled our entire live stream setup, and it didn't cost us a penny. Not only that, but I feel like we're really pushing the boundaries of what live streaming really can be. And no, I'm not talking about 4K video, multi-site streaming, or even the multiverse. No, that stuff is old news compared to what we're doing. Let me break it down for you. We're trying to really make the viewer feel like they are physically in the room worshiping, no matter where they are in the world in real life. And obviously that's what everyone's trying to do with their streams, but we're always a bit limited by the technology of the day. You know, we can only have so many cameras, so many angles, so many volunteers to actually run them. We were brainstorming one day to figure out the next big thing when we realized that truly it was right there in front of us. We have hundreds of unused cameras sitting in our church every single Sunday. What if we use them? We've decided to call our brand new live stream worship experience the Upper Zoom. We want our entire church family to be involved on a Sunday morning, whether they're in the room or they're watching from home. So every churchgoer who's walking into church simply scans the QR code and opens up the Upper Zoom meeting on their phone. After that, they simply have to hold or prop up their phone during the service. The specific placement or angle doesn't really matter too much. The important thing is that we get lots of different perspectives of the church body worshiping and listening to the sermon. This way, anyone outside the church joining in from their phone, laptop, or Apple Vision Pro can feel like they're sitting right there alongside their church family enjoying the service. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds amazing! What an innovation! But what about all the cool shots you actually get from the stage and the close-ups of the musicians and their instruments and all of that? Well, have you ever noticed that our worship leaders have iPads on stage with them? Normally they're just used for things like chord charts or mixing their in-ear mixes, but now they're serving the kingdom in a whole new way. We'll be able to get constant close-ups of every single musician and vocalist, and even our lead pastor preaching from the pulpit. We're so excited about the rollout of the Upper Zoom. We truly feel like it elevates our church live stream to a whole new level, really helping our church members feel like they're right there in the room. Everybody joining from home has the ability to choose whichever angle they'd like to enjoy church from, whether it's sitting next to their friends who actually came to church or looking over the bassist's shoulder. They can also come off mute and sing along during worship, or even verbally encourage our pastor when he makes a great point or tells a funny joke. The community building aspect of the Upper Zoom is truly unparalleled in today's world. This new endeavor also allows us to cut down on volunteers. We no longer need camera operators or a director running the show. Every single attendee has a multi-view at their fingertips and can feel like they're completely in control of how they want to worship. Every piece of this new production has been perfectly thought out to best serve our church. Even the 40-minute free Zoom time limit plays a role, making sure our pastor never overruns his time. We are so excited about the growth that our church will see through this new program. And I hope that you consider joining the Upper Zoom this next Sunday. Until next time.